So here on this side, we have a 6.5-foot fence with a 6-inch route board. Starting from here, we can see that the route board that they use is a 2x4 and not a 2x6 to kind of accommodate for the ground level, which is incorrect. That needs to be a 2x6 route board. Easier way to fix it: salvage all the top without ripping out anything, which is be digging into the ground and then placing a 2x6 and kind of closing out that gap. It will require breaking a little bit of concrete, placing the route board, and then filling in the loose concrete. But in general, I mean, that's something that could be done on this part. All of these route boards need to be replaced. Wherever it's toe-nailed onto the 2x4 right here, there's like nails on the top. That's like water can come in, and that's just not looking good. So I mean, we have to take out the old route board. We have to put in a new route board throughout 2x6. We can salvage the rest. Whenever we get over here, Jose sloped down this panel and then continued these two panels in a straight way, which is not what he wanted. Beforehand, he had a stair-stepped kind of assembly from this panel go into that direction, kind of similar to what you have over there, where it's not sloping down, but it kind of stair steps. So that's what we want to have right here instead of a slope, to kind of duplicate what was here before, and make sure that the pickets are going to be vertical and not cut in an angle and looking all odd. So yeah, that's another something that we have to make sure it's taken care of. All these areas where it's completely nailed in a very aggressive way is just unacceptable. I mean, it should have an amount that makes sense whenever put together. And then here we're just going to finish it off, with 2 straight panels. Route boards should meet at the post. So right now the route boards past the post go, right here, the seam. There's nothing really that supports this seam right here. So the route board needs to end at one side of the post and then continue at the other side of the post in all of them. So that's another something that we're going to have to redo whenever rebuilding this area. So this is also like a section that we should consider making a rebuild for, because it just isn't done in a way that satisfies our customer. And that's it. So we're gonna have to come put in the attention to make sure that everything looks well and to his satisfaction. And linear feet, we're looking at about 47 on this side and then another 70 on that side, with a gate over there that needs to be rebuilt.